The day on Monday. It's a rather messy area of rainfall, a lot of uncertainty
See
still.
here the bright colours indicating some heavy bursts of rain.
There are localised Met Office weather warnings in force for
Friday,
heavy rain.
it'll bring some heavy rain, in fact some heavy thundery rain.